Good morning to all my dear students. In last class, we discussed the what is cell, discovery of cells, and how many types of organisms on the basis of cell. Okay. Now in today's class, we discuss variety in number, shape, and size of cells. We already discussed. We know that all building consists of similar bricks, but the design, shapes, and number of bricks are different. Same type, same the building. Living organisms consist of cells, and thus number, size, and shape of these cells in all living organisms are different. Different variety of cells are present in different living organisms. The number of cells already discussed in the last class. Two types of numbers are present in the living organisms: single cells or more than cells. Single cell organisms are unicellular and multi-cell organisms are known as multicellular organisms. So the number of cells we have already discussed. Single cell examples are amoeba, paramecium, and multi-cells examples are human beings, cow, crow, other. Now in today's class we discuss shape and size of the cells. First we talk about the shapes. Shape of the cell. Different type of shape of the cells are present. In some living organisms, shape of the cells are definite, but in some organisms, shape of the cells are indefinite. For example, onion peel. This is the structure of onion peel cell. Peel of onion. When we peel out the onion and these peel we studied under the microscope. Now we found this type of structure. This is the cell of onion peel. So this is the definite shape of the cell. But the amoeba is the example which have no definite shape of the cell. No definite shape. Same like human blood cells, RBC, red blood cells also have definite shape. The shape of red blood cells are spherical shape. These are the RBCs, red blood cells. Same in human muscles. The shape of human muscle cells are spindle shapes. These are the structure of human muscle cells which are present in spindle shape. Now another example is nerve cell, which is also found in human body. Nerve cells shapes are elongated. These are the nerve cell. This is the nerve cells which is elongated branch like structure. So the different shapes are present in different organisms in different portion. In plants and bacteria. In plants and bacteria, cells are covered by a protective layer. Cells are covered by a protective layer, and this layer is known as cell wall. This layer is known as cell wall. Cell wall protect the cell and also provide the shape of the plant and bacteria of the chicken. These cell wall provide the definite shape of the plant and bacteria and also provide the rigidity. So these are the example of shapes of the cell. We discuss shape of onion peel, we discuss human blood cell, we discuss muscle cells, we discuss nerve cell. Now we talk about the size of these cells. The size of cell also different in different organisms. For example, the smallest size of the cell is 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer. This is the smallest size of the cell which is present in the bacteria. So the question can ask to you what is the size of smallest cell. So the size of smallest cell is 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer which is found in the bacteria, and the largest cell is size 170 millimeter to 130 millimeter. This is the largest cell which is present in the egg of ostrich. Ostrich egg is the largest in the cell. The size of the cell is 170 mm to 130 mm. So, and this is also the example of cell in which this is nucleus, which is consists of cell membrane, nucleus covered by the nuclear membrane, and a liquid is present in the cell is known as cytoplasm. This is also the structure of cell. So we discuss the shape and size of the cell. Okay, thank you so much.